Good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. And Happy New Year to all of you. And first, mute your microphone. Students, mute your microphone. Okay? All of you mute your microphone. Now, today we will start our EVS class. Chapter Here Comes a Letter. In the last offline classes, we have already started this chapter. And here, a letter was written by a girl that called Rina to her friend Ahmed, and the letter was put in a letter box. Happy New Year to all of you. Next, open your EVS book, page number 111. Okay, and chapter number 17. Here comes a letter. Page number 111. So first, the letter was put in a letter box, and then a postman took the letter out and put in a big bag, and taking ride on a postman's bicycle, the letter reached the post office, and then there the letter was taken out of the big bag and stamped hard, and the stamp was of Agartala, from where the letter travel again. Okay, so next, page number 113. Okay, Rina wrote a letter to Ahmed, and write a letter to your friend in the class, and don't forget to write your friend's name and his or her address. Okay, so first, and everyone was written a letter, but where do you post it? And then this letter will drop in a letter box. Okay, first take an empty shoe box. Yes, project that is Louis Braille script. Okay, Louis Braille script. I write down this project also today. Project that is using different sizes of bindi. Okay, red or black, any color or sizes bindi. You write down the Braille script letter A to Z. Okay, Dibyanka, can you understand? Using different sizes of bindi, you will draw Louis Braille script letter A to Z. Okay, here this the picture, and in your in your workbook also you can see this picture. Okay, project that is draw Braille script letter A to Z. Draw Braille script letter A to Z using different sizes of bindi. On your copy or scrapbook. Okay, Okay. So next, drop your and take an empty shoebox and paint it with red color or paste red paper on it. And with the help of scissors, make a slit in a cover of the box. The slit should be big enough for letters to be put on. Yes, colorful bindi or different sizes of bindi, okay? Now letter box is ready. Next, drop your letter in the, yes, you can use red bindi, black or anyhow. Drop your letters in the letter box. Now wait to receive the letter written to you by your friend. And one child will act as a postman, and he or she will take out the letters from the letter box and distribute them to all the children. First, mute your microphone, students. All of you mute your microphone. Just as enjoy reading your just as you wrote a letter to your friend in the same way, and your friends and relatives must also be sending letters to you. And bring some letters from home to school and see how many different types of letters are there. Okay, so number 1 question, what difference do you see in these letters? Some letters are postcards and some are envelopes. Okay, all of you write down, open your copy, okay, and write down quickly. Number 1 question, that is, what difference do you see in this letter? Some letters are postcards and some are envelopes. Okay, some letters, letters, some letters are postcard some letters are postcard, some letters are postcard, postcards. Some letters are postcards, some are envelope, some are envelopes, envelopes. Okay, next, number 2, which letters have stamps on them? Answer is all the letters have stamps on them. All the letters, letters, all the letters have stamps, stamps, stamps on them. Okay, what difference do you see in this letter? That is number 1. Okay, what difference do you see in these letters? That is number 1. And number 2, which letters have stamps on them? That is number 2. And number 2, which letters have stamps on them? That answer is all the letters have stamps on them. Okay, next, number 3, or are all the stamps similar? Number 3 question, are all the stamps similar? What are the difference? Your PT2 syllabus sharing our feelings, a house like this, wave of life. Sharing our feelings, a house like this, and wave of life. So answer is number 3. No. All the stamps are not similar. They have different picture, different pictures, 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 as well as different prices, prices, prices. Okay. So, no, all the stamps are not similar. They have different pictures as well as different prices. Have you seen the stamp of the post office on these letters? Have you seen the stamp of the post office on this letter? Answer is yes. PT2, your PT2 syllabus, sharing our feelings, a house like this, and wave of life. Okay. Sharing our feelings, a house like this, and wave of life. Can you understand, Ayush Mandal? Next, number 4 question answer is number 4. Have you seen the stamp of the post office on these letters? Answer is yes, I have seen. I have seen. Okay. Next page. Page number 114. Okay. Collect different types of stamps and paste them below. In this page or in your copy also, you collect different types of stamps. Okay. And paste them here. And next, page number, how did your letter reach your friend? How did your letter reach your friend? Answer is it reached because your friend's name, page number 114. 114, Dibyanka. Because your friend's name and address was written on it. If we do not write down the friend's name or address, then the letter cannot reach their houses, his or her houses. So, friend names and address must be mandatory. Okay. So, how did you? Page number 114. Chapter Here Comes a Letter. Fatima and Dibyanka, page number 114. Collect different types of stamps and paste them below. This picture you may collect different types of stamps and paste them here, okay, or in your copy. And next, how did your letter reach your friend? It reached because your friend's name and addresses was written on it. Next, write your full address on the postcard given below. Okay, here page number 115. Okay, page number 115 in the top portion here. Write your full address on the postcard given below. So first write in your name. First name, then care of, that is father's name or guardian's name. Next, address, village or post. Okay, post, district, and last pin code. Okay, next, Rina's letter reached Delhi by train. How do you think letters reach distant places when there are no trains? Number 1 question. How do you think letters, letters, letters reached distant places, distant places, places, distant places when there were no trains? When, answer is when there were no trains. There were no trains. Letters, letters, letters used to be carried. Page number 115. Next page, page number 115. Carried to distant places by people, pigeons and horses. P-I-G-E-O-N-S, pigeons and horses. Okay, when there were no trains, letters used to be carried to distant places by people, pigeons and horses. Yes, that is the answer. Question is, how do you think letter reached distant places when there were no trains? When there were no trains, letter used to be carried to distant places by people, pigeons and horses. Okay. So next, visit to a post office. Visit a post office near your house or school. Observe how letter reach here and are sent from here. Number 1, what are the different kind of items available there and what are their costs? Can you send a message to your friend outside India using the postcard that Rina used? And what other work takes place here? Okay, so can you can may visit a post office near your house and observe these things. What are the different? Mute your microphone, students. And what are the different kinds of items available? What are their costs? And can you send any message to your friend outside India? Okay, and what other work takes place there? Now today's time is over, and next classes we will complete the rest of the topic. And who are present, response in your chat box. Bye.